Hello, everybody. Today we will talk about Gmail feedback. Learners will create an email about a topic of their choice, such as an activity planning. To send an email, the students will write their fellow emails in order to get a peer feedback then, and they will click on CC in order to add the additional recipient who is the teacher. They will write the teacher's email in order to get a copy of their email. And then we have subject. So a student who will write a informative subject line which summarize the email, and then they will start with greeting themselves. So students will greet themselves with the word dear and their student's name or their teacher's name. After that, they will start with an introduction in the first paragraph, which introduce themselves and state the purpose of their email. And then they will start in the following paragraphs with the body, which is the main part of the email, should provide the necessary details and information. Students should pay attention to the language usage and grammar, and they should use the appropriate vocabulary and sentence structure in the email according to the topic they are using. For example, if they are writing about a planning activity or something like that. And at the end, they will have a closing sentence, which the students will conclude their email by summarizing their main points or requesting any necessary action from the recipient. About the formatting and the formatting options, students have so many options in the taskbar. For example, if they would like to, let's say, add an emoji as a feedback to their students, as well as if they would like to attach files or something like that, they can attach file by clicking on this icon, or if they would like to insert a photo, they can click on this icon. Furthermore, if the students would like to emphasize text or to emphasize a word or to draw attention to a sentence, they can easily use the formatting options, and then they can go, for example, to, let's say, this sentence, I would like to draw attention on it. I can use bold or italic or underline. So let's say bold, and here it will be different than the other in the paragraph. We have font color, which we can add to add visual appeal or highlight important information. I would like to change the color in this sentence. I can use, for example, red. So I can highlight it to red or whatever I need. After finishing their email, they will click on send in order to send the email. After that, the recipients will receive their emails and provide them with feedback using the taskbar and formatting options, which we have a good tool, which is checking spelling. This feature helps you and identify and correct any spelling mistakes in your email content by underlining potentially misspelled words. And they can use bold, italics, underline, in order to emphasize text or to emphasize word and to draw attention to it. They can use more formatting options like removing formatting or strike through formatting. These features allow you to remove any formatting applied to selected text, and the learners can correct their peers' mistakes by using them. Thank you for watching the video.